In this video, I will be disassembling this 2021 Nissan Altima LED headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the lens. I've cut the lens off the light. Here we can see that the front bezel is plastic welded to the lens. There are no screws holding it in place. I will begin by removing the T15 torque screws holding on this inner reflector. Next, I'm going to release this center wire connector. The reflector and LED are now free. In order to remove the corner LED, disconnect the wire harness at the bottom, and then remove the T15 torque screw holding it on the side. Next, I'm going to loosen the upper headlight adjusting bolt. Next, I will release this bottom outside mounting tab. Next, I will release the bottom inside mounting tab. With all three mounts loose, we can pull the projector forward. There's a clip holding the wire harness to the projector bracket. Lastly, I will push the wire harness connector through the bottom of the light. The headlight housing is now empty. The inside reflector has no LEDs. On the rear of the reflector unit, there are 3 LED boards. 1, 2, 3. All of the boards are plastic welded into place. There are no screws holding them on. There are 3 T15 torque screws holding on this black bezel. There are 4 T15 torque screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding the ballast to the projector. There are 2 T20 torque screws holding the lens in place. First, I'm going to disconnect the solenoid wire, then I will remove the 2 screws holding the cutoff shield in place. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here is the corner LED. Here's the upper LED daytime running light. Here's the side mount daytime running light. Here's the bottommost of the daytime running light circuit boards. Here's the upper reflector from the projector. Here's the projector lens. Here's the projector cutoff shield and solenoid. Here's the projector heatsink and LED. Here's the LED control unit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.